Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install additional watch faces on your AMAZFIT Balance free. So let's get started. So before we start, one thing to mention is that if you want to download and install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone. It might be Android phone or iPhone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And once you open this application on the phone that is paired with your watch, because we need to open it, go to device by tapping on the device icon, and here you should see your balance free. Now, under it you will see watch faces category. Tap on the arrow to open the watch face store, and here you can browse through the watch faces and look for something you enjoy. You have different categories as well. You can browse through them and look for the watch face you like. Once you find something interesting, you can tap on it, and then you can tap on sync, and we'll start downloading and installing the watch face, and after it's done it will be applied on your watch. Looks like it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, this took a while, but it's already enabling and it should be applied soon. And here you have it, synced successfully. So if you go to your watch, and the watch face should be applied. Why is the screen so dim? Oh, because the sleep mode is activated. Okay. So if you go to your watch face, the watch face is applied, as you can see. And you can download multiple watch faces, and at some point you will run out of space for them. And you will need to go to Mine category right here in the store. And here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And you can tap on delete. Select the watch face you want to remove, and then tap on delete and OK. And once you remove some of watch faces, you can then install new ones if you want to. Okay, and basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.